Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights. Together, I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you. So let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic, the real-life applications of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, has numerous real-life applications across various industries. Here are some key areas where AI is making a significant impact. 1. Healthcare. Diagnostics. AI algorithms analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to detect diseases like cancer more accurately and quickly than human doctors. Personalized medicine. AI helps in tailoring treatment plans based on individual patient data, improving outcomes. Virtual health assistants. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide medical advice and manage patient appointments. 2. Finance. Fraud detection. AI systems monitor transactions in real time to detect and prevent fraudulent activities. Algorithmic trading. AI algorithms analyze market data and execute trades at optimal times, maximizing profits. Risk management. AI assesses financial risks by analyzing vast amounts of data and predicting market trends. 3. Retail. Personalized shopping. AI algorithms recommend products to customers based on their browsing and purchase history. Inventory management. AI optimizes inventory levels by predicting demand and minimizing overstock or stockouts. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots handle customer inquiries, providing instant responses and improving customer satisfaction. 4. Transportation. Autonomous vehicles. AI powers self-driving cars, enhancing safety and reducing human error on the roads. Traffic management. AI systems analyze traffic patterns to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. Logistics and delivery. AI optimizes routes for delivery trucks, reducing fuel consumption and improving delivery times. 5. Manufacturing. Predictive maintenance. AI predicts equipment failures before they happen, allowing for timely maintenance and reducing downtime. Quality control. AI inspects products for defects, ensuring high-quality standards are met. Supply chain optimization. AI streamlines supply chain operations by predicting demand and managing inventory. 6. Education. Personalized learning. AI tailors education content to individual students' needs, helping them learn at their own pace. Automated grading. AI systems grade assignments and exams, providing instant feedback to students. Virtual tutors. AI-powered tutors provide additional support and guidance to students outside of the classroom. 7. Entertainment. Content recommendation. AI suggests movies, music, and other content based on user preferences. Game development. AI creates intelligent and adaptive opponents in video games, enhancing the gaming experience. Content creation. AI generates music, art, and written content, opening new possibilities for creativity. 8. Security. Surveillance. AI analyzes video footage for suspicious activities, enhancing security measures. Cybersecurity. AI detects and responds to cyber threats in real time, protecting sensitive data. Access control. AI systems use facial recognition and other biometric data to control access to secure areas. 9. Agriculture. Crop monitoring. AI analyzes data from drones and sensors to monitor crop health and optimize farming practices. Yield prediction. AI predicts crop yields based on weather data, soil conditions, and other factors. Automated farming. AI-powered robots perform tasks such as planting, watering, and harvesting crops. 10. Human resources. Recruitment. AI screens resumes and shortlists candidates based on job requirements. Employee engagement. AI analyzes employee feedback and suggests ways to improve engagement and productivity. Performance management. AI evaluates employee performance and provides insights for development and growth. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming various sectors, making processes more efficient, improving decision making, and enhancing user experiences. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.